Hello, boys. How are you? Good afternoon. Now, in science, today our topic is why is the sea salty? Okay, open your book, page number 34. Now we study today this. The sea is salty. Where does the salt come from? In the sea, where from the salt come? Look here. Salt come from rocks on the land. Rivers and rain wash the salt into the sea. Now, sea salt come from rock at the bottom of the sea. Number one, why ocean is salty? When the rain fall down, okay, with the rainwater from the salty rocks, the rocks of the salt that is with the rainwater flow to the river and then to the sea. Number one. Number two, at the bottom of the sea also some salty rock, okay, then also salt come from those rocks. This is two. And the number three, also we take salt from the mountains, okay. People can get salt from the sea and from rocks under the ground. The hot sun is used to dry up the poles of seawater. The salt is left behind. Next, salt is dug from rocks under the ground. Look, boys, you know the water of ocean is salty. The salt is mixed with the water when there is outside so hot. Because of that hotness, the water evaporate, liquid water evaporate, it change into gas. When it change into gas, then you know the salt left behind, salt left behind, and we take that salt and we use in our daily life. We use different places, for example cooking food, and we preserve food with the salt. And the other thing where from we get from the rocks. There are mountains of the salt, okay, big mountains of salt, and we cut that rock and we change into small pieces, then we grind. After grinding, we change into tiny pieces and we use in our daily life. And then we discuss here dissolve. Look, we say the salt dissolves because in salty water, salt is dissolved in the water. Can you dissolve more salt in the water? Yes, we can. Here we put here some salt in the water and we stir with the spoon, okay. After some time it finish, we can't see inside the water salt, even sugar, okay. Where it go, it mix, it dissolve in the water, okay. Sugar and salt, these two dissolve, but flour not dissolve, talcum powder not dissolve. It is make the mixture cloudy, okay. And when we put the rice inside the water, it will not dissolve. When we put only salt and sugar will dissolve, other anything will not dissolve inside the water. Now try to dissolve some other material. First predict which one will dissolve and which will not, okay. How will you measure the amount of material you added to make sure the test is fair? tell other what happened. Okay, boys, here only salt and sugar will dissolve, rice will not dissolve, and this anything this is inside the put inside, it will not dissolve, flour will not dissolve, talcum powder will not dissolve, because talcum powder and flour, they will make this mixture cloudy. Okay, and they will settle down at the bottom, but sugar and salt, they will dissolve and they will finish, we can't see even. Okay. Now this is our topic today. First of all, where from we get salt? We get salt from sea and from the rocks. Okay. And then many, these two things, sugar and salt, these two dissolve in the water. Now in home, you do experiment, you put salt in the water, then you stir, then you check which thing dissolve. You test rice, you should test sugar, you should test salt, and you should test flour. Okay, then you tell me. Okay, boys, this is our topic today. See you later. Assalamu alaikum.